Hello and welcome back to Mr. Haas's math help videos. This is part 2 of lesson 18. So picking up where we left off due to my low battery. All right, so let's take a look at a situation where we've got, instead of 1 for a coefficient, we've got another number. So in other words, if we have 2 times x equals 4. All right, well, remember how we do the opposite. We did the opposite previously. Well, here we've got a multiply by 2 situation here. So the opposite of multiplication, of course, is division. So we're going to divide both sides by 2. Again, keeping the equation balanced. We're doing what happens on one to the other. These two are going to cancel out. And we're going to get x is equal to 4 over 2. Well, 4 divided by 2, well, that's 2. Let's try it and see what happens when we put the 2 in for x. 2 times 2 equals 4. Well, yeah, 4 does equal 4, so we're good with that one. Let's take a look at one that's a little more complex. Let's see what happens when we've got a fraction. I have 1/4 x is equal to 4. All right, well, when you've got this, the easiest way to do it is to multiply by the reciprocal. You may remember reciprocals. That's flipping the fraction. So we have 1/4. Let's multiply by 4 over 1. And again, you have to do the same thing to both sides. 4 over 1, right? And this is 4 over 1 to start off with. This 4, 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 4 is 4. So we end up with 4 over 4 x. Well, that's 1, right? So we have x basically. And here we have 4 times 4. That's 16 over 1. So we have x equals 16. Well, let's see if that works. We have 1/4 times 16 equals 4. All right, well, 1 over 4 times 16 over 1 equals 4. Now we have 16 over 4 equals 4. And when we simplify, yes, we end up with 4 equals 4. Okay, pretty easy. Let's try one last problem here for lesson 18. Okay, so if we have 25 minus c equals 15. All right, so we've got a negative again. So let's try this. We're adding the variable to both sides. The c cancels out here, right? And we end up with 25 is equal to 15 plus c. Get rid of the constant on this side by subtracting it from both sides. Right? These cancel. And we have 10 is equal to c. Okay. Let's try putting 10 in for c in our original. So we have 25 minus 10 equals 15. Well, this would be 15 is equal to 15. And there you have it. All right. Well, I hope this helped. I'll see you in class. Have a good day.